is an unidentified flying object. It's not IFO, it's UFO. IFO is identified flying object. UFO is unidentified flying object. Even though in the universe, some people from ancient times, they think we are the only people and living stuff surviving in this entire universe. Now, Galileo, he invented the telescope to see far, far away into the universe, and then if maybe in the ancient time, maybe some of the suns are just UFO, just light UFO. And as I said, people thought that we are the only living thing on Earth. It's not true. If they want to send us messages, may we have our planet on the grass. Would you write an email to somebody, may we have your land? It's rather just to talk to them. Just to talk. If that friend is near to you, you just don't need to write. But aliens, they invented that kind of spaceship modeling thing. Here, it can travel through the universe. Here's the Milky Way. Maybe the UFO will be going to here. It can travel very fast though. Well, Bentley and Barney Hill, they got adopted by a Venus alien. But scientists said that Venus is too hot for living and structures to survive. So, scientists discovered that they had a planet which had water, breathable atmosphere. There may be tiny particles living there. One of Jupiter's moons got water, and a scientist went there and he got some examples of ice. He digged very into the ice and he found actually some very small living particles. Anything that is not explainable is unidentified. So, actually, I'm going to talk about how much people have seen the UFO. Bentley and Barney Hill already see the UFO, but if we want to really take it seriously, from like if there is like so many people, this amount of people, and the police find out some evidence, maybe it will just drop up to here. And then if they look even more carefully, maybe it'll just drop over here. Later, maybe if the police just find some DNA samples, it may just rise all the way to here, and then just lesser and lesser people have been adopted by UFO. Maybe soon there's only just one person with the exact sample, the unidentified information and sightings. So many of these aliens are grays, which I'm going to show you. It's something like this. Something like this. Even though they are aliens, they must have some meaning to come to Earth. Not just if they steal our resources on Earth, it would like be just a total mischief. And even though they want to attack us, we will not win. Okay, maybe we say we have like 1% that we will win because we do not know their strategy. They are unidentified. Many of these UFOs are just either weather balloons or satellites orbiting Earth. If the alien, because one time there was an alien crash near USA, and the scientists found 10 dead aliens on the spacecraft. And they found out the DNA sample, but it's still a mystery. Where is it? Where they found it? And also in China, these round big symbols in the night, and in fact, not just 1 or 2 or 5 or 10, millions of them. So the crops also will, some of the people, they saw the crops, they have gone like that, but some of them, they just make hawks. They just use some kind of thing to make the crops go like that and make it grow like a symbol like that. Nobody has ever got any real evidence, because everybody, they could just be some just future people. Future people are not called aliens, they're just parallel. If we want to find about aliens, we have to wait. Just like me, I cannot do now, but I can only research and learn. I cannot do. I cannot put a satellite or space shuttle to go around there and see UFO. Bam! Easy as possible. But I'm not that old enough. I still have like about 10 more years. So the crucial fact about UFO is now we just don't know anything about it. Maybe let's say not anything, just 0.1%. Not their knowledge, not their healthiness, not their knowledgeable, not their good or not. We cannot say if they're good or not because we still do not know, as I said. So UFO is a mysterious thing. Even from the 0th century, there was still a UFO there. For this long time, we've had so many UFO sightings, each one by each year. But the 1900s is when there are many sites of UFOs. So it's a mystery still for human beings, but not for other aliens. So if I'm going to create more videos like my Lego creation and other ideas. So if you want to hear more, you can comment me on YouTube. Bye-bye.